first bridge that connects small island of the castle with the main island. Uh, Before, the only way to reach the island was by boat. That's why on the back part of the castle we have steps. During the Chinese period,
This is your favorite fish, all right?
Yeah.
You took the whole fish, you cooked it up?
With
Maron.
pasta is the best choice.
That's good. With the pakri, and how do you make that pakri?
Pakri and just a little bit of tomato. It's more easy, more soft, but more good.
It looks delicious. And I think I'm going to have a little white wine with it, which you poured?
Yeah.
All right, I can't wait.
Diteci un po' che vino, Mauro.
Grazie mille. Un artista,
Grazie, grazie,
il
grazie,
pesce.
grazie.
This is lemon fish with potatoes Ischia. Delicious. Okay, we're on the island of Ischia and we are trying some rabbit for the first time. Tom is the bravest one of us who's trying this montanara, which is a fried pizza with rabbit on top.
I was the first one
that's
to
the
try
best
rabbit.
rabbit I've ever eaten.
All right, that's good. Now, Lexi, also, you tried it. What did you think?
It was good.
Really good. How about it was
It
good
didn't
taste.
taste like rabbit.
What were you expecting rabbit would taste like?
I don't know, but not that. It's actually really
A
good.
lot like guinea pig, right?
Yes. Okay, now, Lori, you gonna give that a whirl? What do you think, Lori?
As long as I don't hear crying, I'm okay.
Ok, siamo qui al Locande al Mare, un ristorante nell'isola di Ischia, Italia. We're here in Italy at the restaurant Locande al Mare and with Michelangelo and Monaco. Michelangelo, raccontaci, cosa rende Locande speciale?
La nostra specialità è il pesce. Abbiamo del pesce locale, pesce freschissimo del giorno. Facciamo la pasta fatta in casa, facciamo una cucina tipica ischitana. Usiamo i nostri prodotti, per esempio stasera abbiamo i porcini, abbiamo del pesce, eccolo qua, questo è un sarago, facciamo le crudité, vi aspettiamo con tanto piacere, tanto piacere, benvenuti a Ischia, alla locanda del mare.
Perfetto,
Grazie.
E Monica, molte gente, molte persone che vengono a Ischia adorano qui.
Sì, adorano il pesce fresco, ma soprattutto l'ospitalità, la solarità che possiamo offrire a tutti voi per divertirci insieme e per offrire un'esperienza culinaria.
Allora, next time you're in Ischia, come to Locanda al Mare, come see Michelangelo, Monica, and have delicious fish.
Vi aspettiamo.
Ciao.
Ciao.
Ciao, grazie.
Hello, friends from the island of Ischia in Italy. Actually, we're not on the mainland Italy. I'm with my friend Benedetto. Where are we?
We are on the biggest island of the Campanian archipelago. The last eruption on the island dates back to the 1300.
So we don't have to worry about it this week.
No.
Okay. An effusive eruption is I learned there's lava coming out and actually makes the island larger and it makes a dome.
Yeah, exactly, like this one.
Okay.
The
And
lava dome of Sant'Angelo.
if you get a shot at this here, we are in Sant'Angelo, which is a really cool place to visit. And that's a dome. So, and then there's the eruption kind that we're all familiar
Yeah,
with.
you
like
have to
at Vesuvius.
imagine a bit like a cake rising. Same.
Okay,
Yeah.
not
It's
too
a
bad.
lava dome.
Okay, and also because of the volcano, you have these things called thermal spas, right?
Thermal water, exactly, all over the island. We have several thermal parks. It's the best place if you want to chill out. So yeah, I suggest to come on the island also for this reason.
Okay, if we're at home in America and we'd like to get to the island of Ischia, what's the easiest way to get here?
From Naples, you can catch a hydrofoil, 45 minutes ride, and you get to Ischia quite easily. It's not
Okay,
that far.
do we have gelato here?
Yeah, of course.
Plenty of gelato.
Yeah.
And the specialty of the island, which I'm going to have tonight, is called Cornelia Ischitano.
Yeah.
I don't know what it is. What is it?
Rabbit stewed in a ceramic pot with tomato, garlic, and white wine.
Rabbit stewed in a ceramic
thyme
pot?
as well,
Sounds delicious. Oh,
Yeah.
I can't wait to have it. We're going to eat at a place called Il Focolare, which was made somewhat well known recently last year when Stanley Tucci was here.
Yeah,
If you know him
exactly.
with his
Yeah,
show,
yeah, of course.
he went to one restaurant and we're going to check it out tonight.